This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Greg Mcintyre. Start packing. This truly a move-in ready ranch home located in Powell at end of cul-de-sac. 3 bedrooms, bonus room over garage, 2 baths, large unfinished basement with a garage. All kitchen appliances remain, new stainless steel refrigerator, gas stove, granite countertops, laundry room with newer washer/dryer. Metal roof installed in 2024, new back deck, house recently painted, water saver toilets, HVAC 4 years old, shipping container storage shed west/riding mower and push mower. Completely fenced yard on 1 acre lot, county taxes only. Won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg Mcintyre at 865-693-1111.